Is it going?
Yeah. Is it going?
Ow. You look like a big person right now. You're like, no. Okay, maybe you need to go behind me to make... Look how tiny I look. I look like a little baby person.
It's because you are. You're a little baby person. Okay.
All right, guys, we have an announcement for you. We have been house hunting for our second home. We started out looking at land, and it kind of blended into looking at countryside homes, and then we just kept creeping closer and closer to the city or where we live now. But we are in escrow, and
we bought a house.
It's actually really exciting, and we're really early in it, so we can't take you on a tour just yet, but we're so close, and we're very excited about this one because it's kind of exactly what we were looking for that we didn't even know we were looking for.
Yeah, so with my business, I need a place to film cars. And the driveway here is epically large and the garage is huge, so it fits my business perfect. So I'll be able to film there, which is going to be just a big win. And for you were looking for a place
project house
that had some original character.
Yeah, so it basically hasn't been touched in like 40 years in like the best way. Not like it's not completely decrepit, falling down. It's been well maintained, but just like an old couple that's lived there and they just haven't updated it. And that's exactly what I love. I hate paying for people's updates, especially their really bad sterile updates. So this one's exciting.
It wasn't Home Depot'd yet.
It wasn't Home Depot'd yet.
Or ever. It won't be ever.
And it's a mid-century, which I know and love. And it has like little mid-century details. It's not like a well-known architect or an Eichler or anything like that, but there are a lot of 60s details in there, which I really like a wet bar.
Yeah, so let's talk through what the house is. So it's 2,400 square feet.
Yep. Which is huge to us. Huge.
That's 1.5 times bigger than our house now, almost.
Mm-hmm.
Big garage for me, big driveway. Tell me about the house, the rooms. Where are you going to start? What are you going to do?
Well, the backyard has a pool.
Backyard has a pool.
And a hot tub.
Kind of?
Yeah, it's like one of those hot tubs that's like built into the pool. So
we're not sure if it's really like a jacuzzi where it's going to be super hot and the rest of it's just, or if the whole thing's just going to be kind of warm. We're not sure.
It's a 9-foot pool with a diving board, which is like not safe anymore. You don't see diving boards unless you're like in Arizona, like Westside Arizona, that they haven't ripped them out yet. So it's very authentic, or what would you call it, like vintage? It's like vintage.
Yeah, it's like board. Truly. And so you got a lot of plans for that. That's where you're going to start.
I feel like if I learned anything from this house, it was just the backyard is where we spend a lot of our time, and plants take a long time to grow. So there's some updates to the backyard I want to do first, and just a little bit of curb appeal stuff, especially for you if you're going to be filming out front. But then it's very like the first, because of what we bought it at and stuff, it's not something where we're going to go in with a sledgehammer and like take down walls and completely renovate in day one. It's going to be a slow process where I use design, like especially paint and things like that, just to update it and freshen it. But it will be room by room, wall by wall, just like I call it kind of the like lipstick reno, like in the sense of like you're
cosmetic stuff.
It's very cosmetic. You're gonna make it look really nice and clean and fresh. Like actually what they could have done to get, an extra $30,000-$40,000 for this house if they would have gone through and modernized the paint and stuff. So
got rid of the wallpaper. There's a lot of wallpaper. So stay tuned to Jennie removing a ton of wallpaper by herself because I'm not doing it.
I've already YouTubed how to remove wallpaper. So if you have any extra tips, it's been a while since I've removed wallpaper.
You hire someone. That's how you do it.
Yeah. But anyways, stay tuned. I can't wait to walk you through it and see a whole tour of the house. And it'll just like expand on kind of, we've both been trying to work from home and make that kind of work. And this kind of merged both. We needed to maybe have another space to work, and we wanted a second property.
It's on a hill, and it's at the end of a cul-de-sac, and it's quiet. So, I can't wait.
We've never lived somewhere quiet.
It's so noisy, as you can tell by the motorcycle going by right now here, that, we cannot wait to get there.
Yeah. All right. So I will see you in the next one. See, you did it.
Gang signs.
You did it. See, when you're a guest on someone's thing, you do gang signs.